Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this channel's name is Style Me Better. My name is Olga and it's about fashion, lifestyle, luxury, traveling and everything that's connected to fashion and style. Please consider to subscribe if you like this kind of content. I will be really grateful. Today will be shopping vlog. It's a luxury vlog, so I will go to several luxury boutiques and we will see what we have now, and especially I will go to Chanel and I will check the prices because it was a price increase recently. But before we will go, I will represent you the sponsor of this video. It's a brand Lilysilk. It's my favorite brand of silk and cashmere. It's not my first collaboration with them. I adore the product. The quality is perfect. It's a 100% mulberry silk, or if it's a cashmere, so it's Mongolian cashmere. On me you can see the news of this fall. It's a cashmere cardigan and a cashmere top. It's two separate pieces. You can buy them together and separate. The cashmere is so soft and I'm actually have sensitive skin, but it doesn't bother me. It's very soft and pleasant, and I loved this duo so much, so I actually ordered one more in another color. I got one more in this beautiful light beige color. You can see the quality of the cashmere closer. The top is a little bit like ribbed, so it's like more stretchy, and the cardigan is plain. Look at this nice small details of Lilysilk. Also, the news of this season is this perfect skirt. It's 100% silk. Look at that, how beautiful it is. I already had a skirt from Lilysilk in a black color, but it was a little bit different model, not so wide. This is more wide, but I love it also, so I'm glad that they are different. It's just an essentials in my wardrobe. It's always great to have these pieces which will be, I think, forever in fashion. You can just add some details, bags or new shoes, and then you always will feel elegant, comfortable and stylish. I am wearing the trousers from Lilysilk, which are also 100% silk. I hope you see it. Maybe I will insert the clip somewhere. And you can get a 12% discount code for everything on Lilysilk page. Just I will write it here. Also, you can get 25% off for the second piece from special sales apparel and sleepwear department, and I will show the discount code here. Everything will be also in description box, so read it carefully before you apply my discount code. Also, I will leave all the links for all the clothes that I use down below under the video. Lilysilk makes so beautiful packaging, so it's a perfect present for all your friends and family members. Beautiful packaging and a very high quality products inside. And now let's go to stores. We'll see what interesting we can see. Now I'm in Bottega Veneta. There are new collection with new colors. This is my favorite color, Acid Kiwi. They're so nice. little bit too big on me.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This is a small size. This is a size bigger. It's quite big for me. Now we can go to Prada and see what they have. I actually like this style. It's very good for vacation. Look at these clothes. They're so cute. Bling bling. But not for me now. I don't feel like shine. This is looks like Loewe basket but different. Exactly my size.
You like the dark one?
Yeah. And this with white contrast letters on it. They suits to everything. now we will see the Swedish brand, Grens. I wanted to show you. And this is bags. How looks this shop? They're so nice. They waste nothing and they are so convenient. I also know it's possible to put a bottle of water here. It's like you can put a bottle of water here. And this one is longer. It's also cool. These bags cost about 400 or 500 euros. Which one do you like? Longer? I just loved the color, and this is actually the pouch, but it's possible to open it like that. It's nice. Little bit of Arket, and there's so many things here. This dress I have with arm, and this is the same. I love it. Just amazing dress. I really recommend it. It's very nice. They also have in green. Same dress. So if you like this kind of video, please put your thumbs up and consider to subscribe. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.